Hello. Today we're going to talk about how to make your home more beautiful, more aesthetically pleasing. Like and subscribe, guys. Like this video, show love. But yeah, let's get to it. Well, the first thing I do to always make my home more beautiful is I always add a whole bunch of lighting to it. Like, your lighting can be very detailed. You can have the big lamps that have like crazy things going on. That's such an accent piece. It makes a room look more pretty. I'm working on getting a better lamp. There are some at Target that I really like. They're gorgeous. Next thing is definitely making your home smell good, because you want all your senses to work together. So you can light a diffuser. Well, not light it, but get a diffuser from Target again. Yes, I love Target. You should too. I usually get creamy scents from Amazon. I'm gonna show you what I get right here. I get the caramel corn and butterscotch. It just smells so warm and comfortable in my house. Maybe sometimes I'll get like Hawaiian, Escape or something. I love those so much. Okay, this one you have to do, and I don't know why a lot of people don't do it, but you need to start hanging some art in your home. You can't just have a whole living room with nothing in the walls, nothing in that bathroom. It's just blank and crusty. No, add some art. Even add your kids' art. Make some line art. Watch some of my videos and do some DIY art yourself to hang up in your house. Just spruce it up a little bit. Make it look cute. Another thing I love to do is add a whole bunch of plants. You don't have to have a boho style to add plants. Just putting a plant in the corner by the TV stand just gives it some definition. You know, it just makes the space look completed. Look for some plants at Target or Walmart or even Big Lots. They have some nice affordable plants that you can find for like $40, even $30. Another key thing to keep your home looking more beautiful, try to coordinate your colors. If you have a blue couch, don't just get a white rug and then a black TV stand and then a purple set and a red coffee table. Try to at least pick 4 colors and then work your way into getting different colors in the details of a rug or the pillows or a throw that you can throw over your couch. And especially your art too. When you have your art have colors from your rug and your couch inside that piece, it makes everything look cohesive. And it just looks so good together. And just stick with a nice color palette before you start buying stuff. Make sure you pick out your key colors. And you guys know already, you need to tidy up your space. You can't have that one chair with all the clothes on it from last week still sitting there, even when guests come over. Just pick it up, clean it up, and just try to spend at least 30 minutes at the end of your day to pick up all your crap on your floor and just make the room look more beautiful. Going into a nice room that's clean is just amazing. I used to be crusty too, but now I changed my ways. If I can change my ways, then you can change your ways. So yes, clean up your space, coordinate your colors, pick out your key 4 to 3 colors that you want for a room, add some plants, greenery, fake or real. Either one. I have a lot of fake, but I have three real plants right now that are still alive, and I'm so happy so excited that they're still alive. So yeah, and work on getting some unique lighting. Thanks so much for watching. I really appreciate you for clicking on this video, showing love, coming out to this channel. You guys are amazing. Peace out. Love you.